Have you ever felt in your relationships that you are not loved? Have you ever said things like, I don't think she loves me, or I don't think he loves me? Now, this is because mainly different people have different ways of expressing as well as understanding the whole concept of love. This is called love languages. If you are a reader, you will find this amazing book by Gary Chapman called The 5 Love Languages, in which the author identifies 5 ways that people express love as well as people understand love. Each and every person is very different. So some people understand love by words of affirmation, which means you express, you tell how much you love and what they mean to you. Now that kind of a person would understand love when the other person expresses love the same way by saying, I love you, I missed you, I have been thinking about you. Now, on the contrary, there's another kind of a person who expresses and understands love through physical touch. That person expresses love by hugging, kissing, holding hands, a slight touch, anything to do with physical touch. Now that kind of a person will never feel loved, no matter how much the other person says, I love you, I care for you, I've been thinking of you, so on and so forth. And the person who is moved by words of affirmation would never understand how much the other person loves you when that person comes behind and hugs you, gives you a kiss, holds your hand while you're walking on the road and stuff like that. So there are 5 ways this author identifies how people express and understand love. Number 1 is physical touch. Number 2 is words of affirmation. Number 3 is quality time. Number 4 is giving gifts. And number 5 is my personal favorite, acts of services. Now, if you understand what are your top 2 or 3 love languages and what your partner's top 2 or 3 love languages, you can understand where the gaps are and how to make each other happy and feel loved. If you need any help on this, get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to help you. If this video helped you and if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, share it with one of your friends and subscribe to my channel.